Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello and welcome to my Easy English with Us channel. In this video, we'll learn some travel vocabulary. Subscribe now to stay up to date. Ready? Let's go! Travel vocabulary. Travel items. Passport. An official document needed to travel to another country. A passport is your key to the world. Say it with me. Passport. 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 Visa. Visa. Say it with me. Visa. A visa is an official document or stamp in your passport that allows you to enter, stay, or leave a country. It is often required for international travel. Ticket. A paper or electronic document that lets you travel. Say it with me. Ticket. 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 Luggage. Luggage. One more time. Luggage. Suitcase. Suitcase. Say it with me. Suitcase. Backpack. A backpack is a bag carried on your back, often used for travel, school, or hiking. It helps you carry your things easily and comfortably. Say it with me. Backpack. 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 Map. A drawing that helps you find directions. One more time. Map. 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 Travel places. Airport. Airport. Say it with me. Airport. A place where airplanes take off and land. Hotel. Repeat after me. Hotel. Hotel. A place where travelers stay when away from home. Embassy. An embassy is the official office of a country in another country. People go there for visas, passports, or help while traveling abroad. Say it with me. Embassy. 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 Travel agency. Travel agency. One more time. Travel agency. A travel agency is a business that helps people plan and book their trips. Historical monument. Visiting historical monuments connects you with history and inspires respect for other cultures. Say it with me. Historical monument. Historical monument. Historical monument. Travel verbs. Travel. Travel means going from one place to another, usually for pleasure, adventure, or learning. Travel. 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 Book. Book. Again. Book. A book is a collection of written pages that you can read to learn or enjoy a story. Reading travel books can inspire your next adventure. Arrive. Say it with me. Arrive. Arrive. Leave. Leave. To go away from a place. General usage can be used in everyday life. Depart. Depart, usually for a trip or journey, often used in travel, like planes, trains, or ships. Say it with me. Leave. 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 Depart. Depart. Repeat after me. Depart. Depart. Check in. Check in. Repeat after me. Check in. To check in means to officially arrive at a hotel, airport, or event and confirm your presence. Checking in is the first step to a smooth and stress-free journey. Check out. To check out means to officially leave a hotel or place after your stay. Repeat after me. Check out. Check out. Check out. Cancel. To cancel means to decide that a planned event, reservation, or trip will not happen. Canceling can help you avoid stress and plan better for the future. Say it with me. Cancel. 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 Delay. A delay means when a flight, train, or event starts later than planned. Say it with me. Delay. 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 Useful sentences. I would like to book a flight. I would like to book a flight. Say it with me slowly. I would like to book a flight. I would like to book a flight. When does the plane leave? When does the plane leave? Say it with me. When does the plane leave? Do I need a visa? Do I need a visa? Say it with me. Do I need a visa? My passport is expired. Repeat after me. My passport is expired. My passport is expired. We are staying at a hotel near the beach. Say it with me. We are staying at a hotel near the beach. We are staying at a hotel near the beach. I arrived at the airport early. I arrived at the airport early. One more time. I arrived at the airport early. I hope you've expanded your travel vocabulary. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell. See you next time!